I stop coming up here. I see my seat. Anytime I come hike on this trail right here, this is where I sit down at. So I say, God provides everything. Provides everything. This is where I always sit at. And he even got a backrest. I'm at Paris Mountain State Park. You feel the quietness up here. You can feel God up here. You can feel his energy up here. You can talk to God in peace. Get out and enjoy this day. Enjoy God's nature. Got this seat God gave me right here. Even got a backrest. I'm enjoying God's nature. Thank you for watching my video. Get out and enjoy nature. Classy Bastards Catering is. Thank you for watching my video. Let me give you a look one more time. 360 view. 1,100 feet up at Paris Mountain. Yeah.